This is the House Mouse Designs Unwrapping Memories stamp set. There are 4 different stamps in this set. There's the beautiful House Mouse image. They always do a fantastic job with their images, as well as a Happy Holidays, Home for the Holidays, and Unwrapping Memories, one ornament at a time. One of the ways that I like to use House Mouse images is by watercoloring them. So I like to heat emboss my image first. That way it gives a little bit of a raised edge, making the watercolor just a little bit easy. You can watercolor with whatever way you like to watercolor best. I like to use some distress-free inkers, but I also like to add just a little bit of extra shine and shimmer by using Perfect Pearls for that little pearly finish on some of the areas where it's appropriate. Once my image is totally dry, I die cut that as well as a mat to go on it. It just gives the card just a little bit more interest than a plain rectangle. Once my card is assembled, when appropriate with the image, I like to add just a little bit of shine by using some glossy accents and a little bit of shimmer and sparkle by using stickles on different areas of the image. It just gives the image something to catch the light on. This is such an adorable stamp set, perfect for Christmas cards.